What you guys see?
Oh my God. Hello, this is Tythedancer, and today we are going to the fair.
Show them your makeup passes. Put your hand behind it. All right, but y'all, we on our way to the fair.
Yeah.
And we got Cherry, Berry, and Dada. Say hey, y'all.
Hey.
Yep. And y'all, we're gonna go to the fair right now. We're about to go park, and then I'm gonna come back when we get there.
We at the fair.
Ty, you excited? Oh, my baby excited, y'all. We at the fair. There's a lot of people here. Mask is required. You can wear your mask. When we get around too many people, we're gonna put the mask on. Come on, Stink. You excited?
Yeah.
You excited, Edie?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We almost in all the way.
Look, Jumbo.
Go. Where you up?
I'm so happy, period.
Yeah. Guys, look at him. We're gonna get a zoom in. You guys, look at him. Look at Ty, guys. He's so happy. Y'all see her dancing a little bit. Dang, y'all moving. She's screaming. Yeah. She's slowing down. Look at Ty, y'all. She looks scared. Get a camera, high five, Ty.
It was scary, Ty. Yeah, it was fast.
It was?
You were scared.
Yo, look at them. What ride y'all trying to get on? Yo, that one.
We got life with the twins.
Yeah.
Life with the twins.
I get on the too.
Well, baby.
Cherish your way.
Where's the line at?
It's in the mud, in the ball.
Ash, come here.
No more people can't fit on there.
Yo, this is a new ride. Come on, Ty. It's real.
Real, you gonna ride it?
Hey, Ty. Hi, Sting. Hi, Cherry. Yo, this is what they about to get on. Lauren, you getting on this? You and Kylie can sit together. Ty's gonna ride with Lauren, and Cherry Berry is going to ride with Ty, the original. They spinning. Y'all ready? Woo! They screaming. It was.
Y'all feel like y'all like that?
Was it fun?
Let's go to the back. What a big
Kylie, you got a headache now? Oh, okay. Alright, what you eating, girl?
A corn dog.
Where Kylie? Kylie, come on. Alright, y'all, so we in. We got a little snack, donuts, and all that type of stuff. The girls about to ride some rides in a minute. We just stopped for a snack. We had some nachos and some donuts and corn dogs. Say hey, Kylie. Say hey. But yeah, y'all. Cheers, one. Yo, they finna get on this. And Sierra said we was taking Dada to go get on a ride, but yet we're still putting these big kids on rides. Like, what? First stop of the night, y'all. They flagging chairs down. Hi, Kalia.
So guys, we are getting out here. We are getting out here. There you go. Hold on. This ride, it's not a ride, but it's fun. Yeah, I'm going on a slide. I'm gonna show y'all the way. No! This is irritating.
Y'all talking on a baby ride with Dada. So y'all, Lauren just got her cotton candy and she wiping dust off of it. Good morning, Kylia. She's wiping dust off of it, y'all. Something wrong with her. Y'all, something is wrong with her. She is so funny. Hey, got female power. Hiya. Y'all, they got the ride to themselves. So why did they get in the same car?
Sorry, I'm a first up.
They're the only ones in the car. Lauren just bought Kylie this little, what is that? A dolphin. Did you say thank you? Yeah. Thank you, Lauren. Oh yeah, they finna get on this. Y'all sitting in the front or the back? Okay. Watch you. Come on, man. Don't eat that. You ain't even got no face in it.
It's that Jimmy girl. Hey, boys. Hey, money. Boys.
It was beautiful.
You was?
Yeah, it was fun.
Where's Lauren? Oh, there she goes. What? Ooh, Kylie know what she wanted. Now walk on through here outside. Hey, show the camera. That's how I just want to pop it, guys. Okay, Kylie, you gotta tell her which one you want. Kylie, please stop making it difficult.
Can I come on rubber?
Yeah. No, the garbage right there. Good job, you want to go? Is that yours? So guys, they're getting on a ride. It's a skateboard. I told you that it's twins.
Here they come, y'all.
Hiya!
Hiya! Cherry!
Ty!
Cherry! Find the right way, girl.
She is the right way.
No, she wasn't. She was trying to. You ain't getting on this.
Hiya! I'm actually getting hit in the nose. Like, hey y'all. Was it fun? It was boring?
To me.
Was it boring to you? Or you just gonna copy? Ty! Fun?
Yeah, at first we thought it was a big ride, then it went fast.
It did. So guys, they're in a hot air balloon.
Cherry,
Oh, they going faster than y'all. Y'all wanna say hi to her vlog? Say hey. Ty, say hey to them. Spin, y'all, spin. Look at Lauren and Kylie. They want to be older girls so bad. No, don't hide now. You own that John. Cherish, you don't want to be in it? You don't want to be in the picture? Y'all ready? The girls are on this big ride, guys.
on the Ferris wheel. Oh my God. It's a different one. It's two of them.
Hey, Ty. Y'all, we still here, Sierra. What time is it? Y'all, it is. It's 9:42. Y'all supposed to be 10 o'clock, but we still out here going strong. They finna get on the swing. They want to get on a boat, but the line too fat, but we'll see about it. Ty! Come on, y'all go. See, I get on that ride. We still at the fair going strong, y'all. We about to get some food and something to drink because the kiddos hungry. You know, the heck? We need that back. Woo! Let me see, Ty.
Oh my God!
You excited? Yeah. Give thumbs up to the camera. Thumbs up. Alright, come on, y'all. What you guys see?
Oh my God!
You like it?
Yeah.
Let me see, Nene.
That will be orange.
Y'all, they so happy. Dots, get your Dippin' Dots, Ty. Show YouTube. Kylia, get in line for your Dippin' Dots. So she's getting, get your spoon. You're gonna have to put that in. Well, is it good? Give Ty Gang some. Oh. All right, you got something, Nene? It's okay. Ooh, thank you. So yeah, they about to get on this last ride. It's called Fresh and Air. I don't know. I think the fair about to close.
Yeah, but if they're not closing, we're gonna get.
Okay. Oh, okay. So yeah, we're gonna come back when they on here. Tired, y'all. They doing so much. I'm ready to go home. I'm tired. So yeah, this is my first ride that I got on with them tonight. Are y'all excited?
Yeah, she's gonna ride with the boat.
Yeah. Ain't no line. Kylie. Alright, bro, I wasn't recording. They let the girls on the ride. This is their last ride together. Until tomorrow. Look at my baby. I know I said that the other ride was the last ride. Guys, the older girls are on that ride right there.
No, my head was in the fly.
Alright, come on, y'all. Let's go this way.
Yeah, we've been on that.
Was it fun or no?
Yeah, it was fun, but my head feel like it was gonna fly up.
Alright, guys. Let's go find Sia. Where they at? Ooh, no. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Alright, guys. We're still going strong. It's gonna be 12 o'clock.
Hey, y'all, so we can get on your ride.
How y'all feel?
I feel good.
Y'all scared?
How y'all feel? Y'all My name is Ty, and I just turned 5, and I'm super lit, got on my super kick, it's my birthday, got on my new J's, and I'm super fly, so get out the way.